Welcome to qnawire.
Alright, so in Drosophila melanogaster, forked bristles are caused by an allele XF that is X-linked and recessive to an allele for normal bristles, X+. Brown eyes are caused by an allele B that is autosomal and recessive to allele for red eyes, B+. A female fly that is homozygous for normal bristles and red eyes mates with a male fly that has forked bristles and brown eyes. The F1 are then intercrossed to produce the F2. What will the phenotypes and proportion of the F2 flies from this cross be? So to start off, let's write down our parent generation, or P generation. So we have a female fly homozygous for normal bristles and red eyes. So their genotype will be X plus X plus, and then we have B plus and B plus. So this is the female. So we're crossing with a male fly with forked bristles and brown eyes. That genotype will be X, F, Y, B, B. So here's our P generation. Our gametes we will get here will be X plus B plus X, FB, and then over here we have, looks like just YB. So then our F1 will look like, so we have X, FB, and we have YB, and we have X plus, B plus. So here's our first cross. We'll get X plus X, F, B plus, and B. On this side we'll get X plus Y, B plus, and B. So this progeny here is heterozygous female, normal bristles, and red eyes. This phenotype here will be a hetero male with normal bristles and red eyes. So now our F1 was intercrossed, so we're crossing these two progeny that we got. So X plus X, F, and B plus B crossed with X plus Y, B plus B. So the gametes we'll get from these parents will be, so for this one we have X plus B, and we have, or this will be a plus, and then we have X plus B, then we have X, F, and B, and we also have X, F, B plus. So then for these gametes, we have X plus B plus, X plus B, we have YB, and we have YB plus. So our F2 cross will look like this. X plus B plus, X plus B, YB plus, and YB over X plus B plus, X plus B, XFB, and XF B plus we're missing. So now and that filled out table will look like this then. So now we can find our female flies with the what will the phenotypes and proportion of the F2 flies from this cross be? So let's start here with, we have female with red eyes, normal bristles, equal, so we have 1/16 plus 2/16 plus 1/16 plus 2/16. So these genotypes, this one will be X plus X plus B plus B plus. We also have X plus X plus B plus B, X plus X F B plus B plus, and then we also have X plus XFB plus B. So this phenotype will be 6/16 then. So then we also have female, brown eyes, and normal bristles. This is 1/16 plus 1/16. And that'll give us 2/16. This genotype was X plus XFBB, and then this one was X plus X plus B, B. So there's 2/16 for that answer. We also have a male with red eyes and normal bristles. And this phenotype being 1/16 plus 2/16. That would be 3/16. This phenotype was the X plus YB plus B plus, and this one would be the X plus YB plus B in the table. So moving on, we have another male with red eyes but forked bristles. And this is equal to 1/16 plus 2/16 again, equals 3/16. This genotype was XFYB plus B plus, and this genotype was XFYB plus B. Moving on to the others, we have a male with brown eyes and normal bristles. This is just 1/16. And then this phenotype was X plus YBB. And then lastly, we have male, brown eyes, and forked, also being 1/16. And this one was XFYBB. So the phenotypes and the proportions of the F2 flies will all be these listed underneath the table then. So we have 2/16, 2/16, 3/16, 3/16, 1 out of 16, and 1 out of 16. And this should all 2, 4, 9, 12, 13, 14. Oh, wait. 6. It's 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 14 plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16. So these answers will be the correct ones then here.